Hello dear students, in this practical we understand what is store procedure and demonstration on the store procedure. So firstly we discuss what is store procedure. See, simple in SQL or we can say in DBMS, store procedure is a precompiled SQL code that can be saved or reused. We generally reuse that block of code, that type of function, we can say it. If you have any SQL query, then we write over and over again. So with the help of store procedure, we save it and reuse that functionality again and again in same project. So there are some benefits of using the stored procedures like code reusability, improve performance for the database security as well, and easy maintenance. So generally these all are the key points for the store procedures. Now we understand the syntax for store procedure and implementation for the store procedure. See, here we have a employee table. So the structure is employee ID, employee name, salary and department. Simply just I create the store procedure for the same table. So I just use a create keyword for the creation. Now I am creating the procedure. So that's why I write the procedure. I apply the name, like I apply the simple get all employee. See, store procedure name, cursor name, trigger name, whatever you define, but it is a similar little bit of your table name, so it will easily understand you. Okay, so simply I provide the my table name here. My store procedure name here. Now I use a as keyword. Simply we just I already told in a previous practical as well, if we are creating the procedure function, whatever SQL functionalities, that time we use a as keyword. Now we provide the begin for opening the body, like see here I just applied the select query asterisk for the whole retrieving table, and just I use the same table, same table. Now this query end with the semicolon, and now if we are begin if we are using a begin keyword here, then we use a end for the closing that particular functionality or body. So simply end. See, just we select and execute it. Our store procedure is created successfully, but how to call that particular? So simply we execute the execute command, and just we provide our store procedure name. See, in the previous this is a employee table output, and currently this is the output of this store procedure. So simply we are right now we are created the get all employees name store procedure for reusing this code in Abo journey. So this is a simple store procedure creation and how to call it with the help of whole table. Now we perform with parameters. So simply again we use create for, again we are creating new procedure. So again we provide the name. I just provide the new name, new store. I just provide the new EMP for the new store procedure. Okay, so simply here one field is available, department. For accessing this content, with the help of this content, so I just declare the one next attribute with the help of @ for the reference. So simply I declare the depth, and its data type is a varchar. Simply we pass as keyword for the creation, begin keyword for the opening the body, and now see, we apply select star from our table name is employee. Again we refer the same table, so that's why we pass table name.
we have.